Okay, we're at Grandma's house in Winter Haven, and we're eating hamburgers and hot dogs.
And there's a scary cat. And there's a scary cat.
Where is he? You see the cat? Oh, it's right down here. What is that cat doing?
It's furry. Oh my god, look at his eyes.
I know. That cat is fierce. What is that? What is that thing? Uh-oh. Oh god.
Is the cat pregnant?
I think the cat ate 2 hamburgers.
I'll let you put that on him.
Isla, what are you doing? You're tormenting the cat.
It doesn't touch him, but he's
Yeah, that's like annoying for a cat. Watch your hand.
Let Cora do it.
Cats are known to like go kind of wild.
No. Here,
Don't do that, Ed.
Hold that. Cat. He cat is here. I can handle this. I can handle this. Look, guys.
Cat is not amused.
I'm going fishing. Please don't cut that bird.
I'm not gonna cut it out. I'll keep it. You mean cut the part or keep the part?
I'm going fishing.
For a kitty cat.
I'm going fishing for kitty cats. Yeah, my kitty cats in the lake. That picture.
This is Baby Belle sitting on this old Victorian couch.
And Daddy, look at that picture.
Yeah.
I wish I could have that picture with you and Mommy and me.
Aw.
I wish I could.
That's you, Cora. That's you right there. That's you right there.
Oh, right there. Look it. That's my cousin Nisha. Cora was 2 in that picture. She looks older now.
Yeah, look at her there, and then look at this one. That's Cora too.
The girl. Isla, your job is just to sing, okay? Okay, here we go, babe.
No, wait, no, wait.
And you're gonna you want to take the video?
Yeah, but wait.
What are you doing?
I'm getting water for him.
Okay.
Really nice because
We'll come back for the plates and the cutting it all.
Yeah, Isla, we're not gonna bring him a drink yet. You can do that afterwards, okay? Isla, you're missing your job.
Okay, we're going, Isla. Okay, sing real loud, Cora.
No, I want to record. I want to.
Here. Here, you hold the camera.
Whoa.
Okay, here we go.
Is it on?
Yep, it's already
Let's
recorded.
do that now.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Happy birthday. Shh. Be quiet.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Be surprised. Happy birthday, dear
Bradshaw.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow, key lime pie with candles. All right, thank you.
We knew that was your favorite kind of cake.
All right, thank you guys.
You blew it on my arm.
Oh, sorry.
Go down there.
Wanna go to the dock?
Grandma said don't do it till she's out here. She doesn't want to miss it.
They can't go to the dock.
Yeah, that's why I put these chairs up here. If you want to go to the dock, Brett,
Yeah.
you can take this
Wanna
plastic
go
one
to the
there.
dock? It's fun, Cora.
Grandma wanted.
No, Isla.
No, honey, she can. It's too dangerous.
Corey.
Hey.
Oh,
No. Are you gonna watch fireworks?
no.
No, you don't want to.
But I want to go in there. Can I go in there?
We can't because there's alligators.
Oh,
But we're gonna see the beautiful fireworks.
But
Oh my God! Whoa! Did you see that? Whoa! Oh my gosh! That's crazy. You better bring Grandma out here. There's a chair here. Alright, what do you think?
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
Okay.
Okay, we're shooting them off the dock here. Oh man, them are some bad mamma jammas. You want these yet?
One more here.
Okay, one more there. Okay. Yeah, there is. This sunset's awesome. Short fuse. Woo! The whole box of these things. Man. Woo. Oh, there goes one right on the roof. Oh man. Okay, you ready? All right. All right, here we go. Ugh. All right, we're taking the big. This water came up, didn't it? Yep. Let's look at these things. Oh my god.
Okay, let's figure out where the fuse is on this thing.
Yeah, it's the same as the other. Have you lit one of those yet?
I haven't.
The Iron Throne. Now this is a 17 shot one.
Yeah,
The rest of these are just 8.
here's the fuse protector here.
Okay.
Now here's
Okay.
this short.
Woo!
God, this thing is short.
Oh. All right, I'm gonna back up just a little bit.
The angle too, if they shoot side.
Oh, it says face this end toward
Yeah, see mine ain't. I'm
the
not seeing it.
spectator. Here, use this one.
Yeah, now see if you can find that same.
Same verbiage.
Yeah, you got it aimed right. I think it's where the 17 shot. That's where it's.
Yeah, it doesn't say, does it?
It's
All
on.
right,
It's on the opposite side of the fuse. I mean.
Okay, let me move this one back a little bit. Okay, here we go.
The lighter's out of juice.
It's out of juice. Point it down.
It's out.
It's out.
Whatever happened, we used to be able to make lights.
Hey, what about those matches you have in there?
I have them in there.
I'll go get them. Hey, hey.
Maybe it was a bug flying by.
Hold that. I gotta get some
Okay.
matches. Maybe say something.
Where are you going for
Maybe
matches?
say something.
Huh?
Where are you going for matches?
They're right here on the table.
Okay.
Where's Isla?
I don't know.
She's in there in the hiding because she didn't want to hear the loud sound.
Can you watch her for a minute? I'm gonna go get bug spray out of the car.
Okay.
She's getting bit by mosquitoes, and I am too. Can you sit right here, Corey? Do you want to sit in Grandma's lap? They don't wait for nothing. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think that was that's the Iron Maiden. You want me to bring you the matches?
I'm just across the lake.
Oh, you did?
Look at that.
Oh my god, here.
Those are some bad boys, ain't they?
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my god.
Have we got the other?
Yeah, you want the other one box? Yeah, yeah, let me get it for you.
Bring them up.
All right.
Yeah. Whew. Well, that's little. Okay.
Is that? Oh yeah, that is
That's it.
little. God. Okay, so lay it here.
Why do they do that?
Shit.
It's burned out.
All right, here we go. All right, get back. My God. All right, take a 5-minute pause there. Oh man, see, you never know, because you could have a ghost firework go off at the last second. What do you guys think of that?
Pretty crazy. I doesn't want to come out.
That's fine, whatever, it's over anyways. We're done.
Oh, okay.
We're done. We're done.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll let Grandma answer the door.
And say she's
Big
alone.
ones across the lake. Did you see them?
I saw some of them.
Can I go over by the lake?
Nope.